6 I did as an example. I didn't give you the word equations because to get the correct balanced equations, your word equations have to be correct. So as much as I care about your personal appearance, get this stuff out. I'm not talking to you, Jedediah. I'm not calling anyone out specifically. I just, your hair looks great, Jedediah. Your makeup is on point. I know, but if I draw attention to you, I draw attention away from the person I'm calling out. And you have enough confidence for me to do that without you being embarrassed, is the impression I get from you. Okay, so this is what you were to do. Take a look. Comments, questions, concerns. I wanted you to word. I didn't do the words. But again, if you got the correct balanced equation, that means the word equation has to be correct. Are there any comments, questions, concerns about what I've done? I am recording this, so if you didn't get them done, the answers will be in a video. And I will post all the videos from yesterday and today during my prep. So you don't need to take pictures, you just need to go to YouTube later. Or, take pictures, it's totally cool. Okay, comments, questions, concerns, going once, twice, thrice, sold. Okay, here are questions 7 through 10. And again, if you were away yesterday, I did want you to do I did, yes, please. I wanted you to do the word equations, but I didn't have time to fill them in. If your final answer, if your final balanced equation is correct, that means your word equation must be. Is there anything anyone would like me to do from these? Yes, Muller.
10.
Number 10. So, which part? All of it. So your word equation would be methane. I'm doing all of it. Methane. Or you could write carbon tetrahydride. You don't need to write both, one or the other. Burns in air and reacts with oxygen. So it's going to be methane plus oxygen. And it says carbon dioxide, water, and heat are produced. Punctuation is important. So CO2 plus H2O is what's produced. This comma here is what separates the reactants from the products. Punctuation is important. Don't ever tell your English teacher I said that. I'll deny it to my grave. But punctuation is important. Actually, that's not true. I won't deny it. There's some hilarious things that you can do without commas. Methane, then, also called Muller, also called carbon tetrahydride, is going to be CH4. Are you on the phone in class? Okay. Oxygen is diatomic. It's O2. So my answer to my question is yes, you were on. Carbon dioxide is CO2. You might have had a good reason for it, but the answer is yes. And water is H2O. Actually, this is not a word equation. I'm jumping ahead of myself. Carbon dioxide plus water. Carbon dioxide is CO2, water is H2O, oxygen is O2, methane is CH4. It's in the name. So then to balance these things, Muller, I went and I looked and I said, okay, I got 4 hydrogens, so I tossed a 2 in front of the hydrogens here. Now I have 4 oxygens on the right-hand side, put a 2 there and we're done. Is that enough? Where did you get, do you know where you got stuck? Or did you just not do it? Okay, the comma, was it the comma that messed you up? Okay. Any other comments, questions, concerns about anything off of this page? 7 through 10. Going once, twice, thrice, sold. Okay, and then here is, there it is. All the questions I assigned from the next page, 1 through 8, there they are. Comments, questions, concerns. Take a look at what you've done. Take a look at what I've done. What is the dress up day today? Elementary day, okay. Okay, comments, questions, concerns? Going once, twice, thrice. Sold. Okay, cool. No issues. Okay.